Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can add YouTube link on TikTok bio. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. First, you have to copy the link of your YouTube channel or the video that you wanna apply or paste in TikTok bio or add in TikTok bio. You have to simply go to YouTube and then copy the link of YouTube that you're gonna add in bio. So then you have to simply click on TikTok and comes in TikTok and logged into your account, and make sure to connect with a good internet speed or good internet, and go to your profile and click on edit, and there you will see bio basic information. In this you will see the second option called links. Click on add link, and then you will see this option. Click on add, and then you have to simply paste over here that link that you have copied from the YouTube, and then click on save, and it's going to be saved in your bio. And whenever you comes in your profile, you will see over here a link pop-ups over here. So whenever your community click on that, or whenever your family click on that, it's gonna be pop up on the your YouTube channel, and they will subscribe you or watch your content on your YouTube channel. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.